So what should I buy? Term insurance or whole life insurance? We've heard people say, anybody who purchases term insurance is stupid. We've also heard other individuals say anybody who purchases whole life insurance is stupid. So what do we here at Infinite Wealth Engine feel about those statements? Well, we don't feel that the products are stupid, nor would we ever classify the individuals who purchase any of these products as stupid. They're just different. Term insurance is different from whole life insurance. It's different strokes for different folks. We need to consider what kind of coverage the individual will need for that particular time in their life. It is good to note, however, the differences between term insurance and whole life insurance. So let's get into that now. Term insurance is very similar to renting an apartment that has a lease that would expire in 365 days or 1 year. So of that entire 1 year, you are provided shelter over your head. You have protection from the storm and from the weather. However, once your lease is up, you no longer have that protection. It's very similar to term insurance. Term insurance is often very cheap, and it provides you nice coverage, but only for the time that you are covered. Also, let's use that same analogy. Say, for example, you renovated that apartment. You had painted its walls. However, you don't own that apartment. So after that lease is up, have you collected any equity into that piece of property? Do you have anything more of value, even though you have put time, effort, and money into renovating that apartment? No. Term insurance is very similar to that. It does not develop any equity or cash value within a term insurance policy. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, is very similar to buying a piece of property. You purchase a piece of property. That whole life insurance is property of you. So you can never outlive that whole life insurance. You will always be protected, and your beneficiaries would always receive some kind of a payout when you die. It's also very similar if you were to renovate that house. Let's say, for example, again, you painted that house. Well, that builds equity into it. And in a perfect world, a piece of property will appreciate in value at around 3 to 6% per year. That'd be awesome. The ideal situation. Now, it's very similar to a whole life insurance policy also. It appreciates in value. It appreciates in equity at, surprise, surprise, about 3 to 6% every year. That's a quick analogy when comparing term insurance, which is like renting an apartment, to whole life insurance, which is like purchasing a piece of real estate. But what is right for you? I can't say what is right for you because I never met you before. Please touch base with us, call us, visit us on the web, check us out at infinitewealthengine.com. Click on the links below as well to see your free guide on how to build your own infinite wealth engine using a product that will benefit you. This is Brandon here saying stay healthy and stay wealthy.